Hi there, Jeff Julia, founder of Energy Project Advisors, author of Navigating the Maze of Energy Efficiency Projects. Today, I want to discuss the new guide I just wrote. It's called Lowering Your Utility Expenses to Increase Profitability, and it's a free guide available on our website, energyprojectadvisors.com, for business owners. And the reason I wrote the guide is I talk to so many small business owners who pay zero attention to their utility expenses because they think it is an uncontrollable expense, which is not the case at all. So today I want to walk through step one. And step one is all about control. If you are overlooking your utility expense because A, you think it is an uncontrollable expense, or B, it is small in comparison to the other expenses on your P&L, you're missing a significant opportunity to improve your cash flows, to improve your profitability. Okay? Now, the analogy I make in the guide is if you walk into the ER hemorrhaging blood because you just sliced your finger open cutting carrots for dinner, what is the trauma doctor going to do first? He's going to control the bleeding. And that's exactly what we'll do in step one. We're going to control the bleeding. Now, most people look at their utility expense and they think, wow, this is high. And that is true. Now, whether or not you agree with it's a hemorrhaging expense is irrelevant. The expense itself can be controlled. In fact, it is the most lucrative expense on your P&Ls. Why do I say this? Because it is the sole expense you can turn into a cash generating asset without significantly impacting your business model. So let's discuss step one a little bit. Now, if you live in a deregulated energy market, you have the authority, you have the luxury of setting your energy supply rates, meaning you set the price you pay for electricity. Now, there are two components to your electricity bill. You have the supply, which you can lock in if you're in a deregulated energy market, and then you have the consumption cost as well. The easiest way to standardize to fix your consumption cost is by enrolling in budget billing through your utility company. Most utility companies have these budget billing programs available to the residential ratepayers as well as small businesses. So if you're in a deregulated energy market, go ahead and lock in that supply rate and enroll in budget billing. And this is going to normalize, it's going to flatline this utility expense for the entire year. Now, in addition to controlling the price you pay, both for supply and consumption, it is critical to diagnose the cause of the high uncontrollable utility expense. Some people think this means performing an energy audit. Well, not so fast. We'll get to energy audits in step three. For now, what we want to do is deploy either a software or a software plus a hardware diagnosis on your business, so we understand exactly what energy consuming systems, what circuits are the cause of your high utility expense. From there, we'll dive into step two. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend. And to download the free guide for businesses, visit our website, energyprojectadvisors.com. Thanks.